Specially repackaged by TekLine Supply. 1 ounce pocket size pack contains approximately 27 feet of solder. 67/37 tin lead is most common for electronics work. 0.031 diameter is common for fine-pitch electronics work. High-activity raw formulation. Kester 44 Flux is an activated rosin formula for use in flux-cored solder wire. CML Supply purchases Kester 44 Flux-Cored Wire in bulk quantities from an authorized distributor and repackages this solder wire in smaller quantities for convenience. Repackaged by CML Supply, which is not affiliated or endorsed by Kester or Illinois Tool Works. 67/37 tin lead is preferred for electronics work. High-activity raw formulation. Excellent solderability to a wide variety of metallizations. Standard core 66, 3.3% flux. Solder iron tip temperatures between 315 to 371 degrees Celsius, 600 to 700 degrees Fahrenheit. Flux residue is non-corrosive and non-conductive. Top reviews from the United States. Wow, solder does make a difference. Until I used this Kester solder, I didn't realize what a difference solder could make. I'll never go back to no-name stuff.